is up, guys? It's me, Munchcraft, and every game needs a beginning. So I built this really cool introduction for your game, and I'm going to teach you how to make it. So first I'll show you, let you preview, then we'll start programming. So here it is. I'll let you guys just watch. I thought it was kind of a fun intro to add to your game. So at the beginning you can have this happen. Then you can start your game. So I'm going to teach you how to make this. And so without further ado, let's get right into it. So I've just reset the Scratch editor to how it was when I started it. And you want, in this cat sprite, you want to get a when green flag clicked, forever, repeat until. And in this repeat until, you want to put touching edge. And inside there, you want to go to control, get create clone of myself, and move 10 steps. And then you want to get an if then in there. And just leave the if then as it is. We'll work on it later. So now you want to create a new sprite with the text and have it say your username. My username is Munchcraft, so I'm just going to keep it like that, and I'm going to make it rather big. So yeah. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move this to where I want it to be. And make sure it's not touching this edge, because that's going to stop it anyway. So, yeah. So this should probably be moved up a little bit. So now if this happens, it will work. So, yeah. But one thing we have to do is position the cat. So once you've positioned it, go in the code of the cat. And, yeah, just go to motion. And it's preset. Position is preset, so put it right before the forever. And in this if then, we want another touching edge. If then touching edge, and then we want to broadcast a message and call it show. Broadcast message, call it show. Click OK. And then once you go in here in the Munchcraft or username sprite, when green flag clicked, you want to hide, and you want to go to front layer. Then, when I receive show, I want to show. And if you guys want that sound I had, you can go into sounds. It's right in the Scratch library. Just click on this magnifying glass, click on effects, and it's right here. Boop, bing, bop. I thought that was kind of a fun sound for an intro. But if you guys want something else, of course, you guys can take that. So anyway, right here, you want to add in that sound. Start sound, boop, bing, bop. And right in between those two, you want to broadcast another message, and we'll call it show 2. And this is for this fun Scratch games sprite. So you want to add a new sprite and have text, fun Scratch games, or whatever your motto is. Fun Scratch games isn't even my motto. I just chose it for my intro because it sounds a little intriguing. But otherwise, it can be anything. So when green flag clicked, of course, hide. And when I receive show 2, and then we're going to show. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Like so. And so now that you guys know how to start your game, you guys can make the game now. So what would be best to start your game is after you have the start sound. Let's say your game was this guy, and he, when green flag clicked, say hello for 2 seconds. This is not even a game, but let's just use it for simplicity. So instead of this, right in the Munchcraft, or the username, you put broadcast another message right after this and call it start game. Start game. Okay? And then go in this, and instead of when green flag clicked, when I receive start game. Okay? And now when green flag clicked hide, and yeah, then you gotta put a show right here. So anyway, then when I receive in this one, when I receive start game and hide, same goes for the cat. Same goes for the Munchcraft. So now, oh, because we forgot to show the cat at the beginning. I get it. Show cat, and yeah. But it won't be as simple as this. You'll have to do a little more. So this will have to be a little side loop when green flag click, or when I receive show. Then wait for the duration of the start sound. So let's wait. Let's see. I would say it's about 3 seconds. So I'll wait 3 seconds, and then we'll broadcast the start game. So now save now. Click it. And now your scratch game starts. And yeah, that's perfect. This is, of course, not going to be your actual game. You'll have a lot more code. But it's basically, in this start game loop, you put all your code here for your game. And replace any when green flag clicks with start game. And yeah, that's it. Be sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you guys want to learn more. Hopefully you learned a lot through my videos. I'm also learning a lot from your feedback, so be sure to comment so I can learn some more from what you guys think. But that's it for today. Can't have too much fun. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.